Good evening. How you guys doing? Welcome. Hello, Edifaus. Oh, Jinxie. Hello, hello. So I spent too much money the other day. A little too much money. And, I have a thing now. I opened it like 10 minutes ago. Hey, Nick, bye. And it works beautifully as far as I can tell. I spent too much money on this stuff. So, I'm excited. This is a Famicom Titler. Yeah. I vaguely know what it does. Keeps getting bigger and bigger. Hey, Captain Pie. How you doing? Have you figured out just how to work it? I figured out how to turn it on. And the fact that there is a menu. Other than that, I literally unpacked this 10, 15 minutes ago. So I do not know much about it. What I do know, what's playing on screen, you'll notice there's no cartridge in that. There's a cartridge embedded in the motherboard. Does this have an undumped ROM? As far as I am aware, I am not aware of a ROM that's dumped. There isn't even a page on the NestDev wiki about this. It's mentioned in passing on like the PPU page. And I haven't opened this yet, but from what I've seen of pictures online, the chip's socketed. So I shouldn't, in theory, again, I haven't opened the thing up yet, I shouldn't need a solder iron to get the chip off and potentially break something. Probably won't be able to be around for long, no worries. Stuck in an organizational hell. Oh, those are always rough. So yeah, this is probably undumped. Well, some guy, how you doing? 26 months. It's been 26 months. That's a while. So yeah, there's a lot of buttons on this thing. I don't know what like any of them do. But it's playing through its attract mode right now. That's what all this is. Let me untwist this. Give me a sec. There we go. Now, this guy does have a little touchpad thing that does work. It is in awful shape. I need to figure out if I can rejuvenate that or something. It does work, but it is in terrible shape, that little touchpad. I'll need to I'll find a way to break it, don't worry. So the one downside is everything is in Japanese, and I can't really read Japanese. Like at all. I know that there's 2 pages to this. I know that this one is like entering some text, which is where this thing comes into play. That's not really what I wanted, but sure. So it does work somehow. I don't know how. Hopefully we can figure out how that works. That's not going to be tonight. I don't think I'll be able to figure that out tonight. But yeah, this thing's neat. It's got too many buttons on it. I need to figure out how they work. It's got a bunch of connections on the back. I've only got the video out so far, but yeah. The way to register basically allowed to do your thesis over here is I had to write an email to examination office, wait for a response, take the response, and wait for them to send a physical form to the chair. I want to write the thesis. Meet with the professor in person to sign. Yup. The professor sent it back to the office. Wait for them to confirm they got it, and then I'm officially allowed to work on it. Wow, that's a lot of paperwork. Shows how the German administration works. Yeah. On the bright side, if it is socketed, that means you should, in theory, be able to swap out the ROM with a translation hack with ease. I mean, Oh my god, there's more buttons on the side of it. I can see. What is it? What even is this? There's, okay, you can't see it, but there's a switch. There's like a dial thing. And then like 2 potentiometers on the board. Bridgewater, how you doing? It's a Japanese keyboard though, isn't it? No. Yes, I actually bought it. Yes. And it works. Okay, let me hit the reset button. It works. It works beautiful. I unboxed it like 20 minutes ago. Yeah, there's something on the side. But yeah, so this is the ROM that's, excuse me, the cartridge on the board. There's nothing in there. In fact, I can't put anything in there right now because it's a physical like lock thing. You move into place to get it to connect the pins for this or something. So I turn it off, hit the switch, and then I can take a cartridge. Let's see if it'll... And now I can play a game. Said thesis needs to be submitted in print in 2024. And the comp site we are required to get it printed. Even at first, I don't even take a look at the printed version. I can't be bothered. Oh. Isn't this the device that uses video input on the PPU, or has 2 PPUs in it, or something like that? Yes, it is. It is the weird thing that takes video in. Video in. We're gonna figure that out. How? I don't know. I don't know how it does it. We're gonna figure it out. So the important question is the pad on that thing, the one that the SPX. We can test that real quick actually. So I can turn it off. Pop that out. I doubt it, but I mean, we can try. This, and then I don't actually need the power in the thing to get to the test menu. I doubt that one of these has ever been plugged into this. One of these. I sincerely doubt it. What's the right test menu for this? Hang on. Let me look that up real quick. I should know this by now. Dartomic, how you doing? I vaguely know what this is. I think it's for like putting titles and like cards and captions and shit on video. From the late 80s. So yeah. B and select. Okay. I don't think I need to restart. I think I can just power it on with that. So B and which one select? That one. Okay. B and select. Turn it on. Nope. Okay. I did figure out, by the way, what that 4th read on this thing was, on the study box. It's looking for the 4-tap. Even better fun fact, a friend of mine wrote his thesis on something regarding the PDF format. Exposed to some shit. He had an example PDF made to demonstrate the issues he found. Want to guess what happened to the submission? Oh no. They wanted the example being printed as well, the example being designed to demonstrate software issues. Get him to, like, record a video of it happening and print out every single frame. You can get him a stack of paper. But yeah, so this thing has a lot of buttons on it. Yeah, this doesn't do anything on that screen, unfortunately. But that stuff works. I know you can't hear the beeps because I don't have it going back. But actually, you might be able to. You can almost hear the beeps. Almost. That sounds horrible. This touchpad is in horrible shape. Oh my god. Let me actually hang on. Let me grab some pictures of this real quick. I'll show you. I'll show you what it looks like. It's. All right. So touchpad. let me get the back while I'm doing picture stuff. Hang on. Okay. I just noticed my camera's like extremely washed out. Gonna have to give you a Laserdisc player and some untranslated anime LDs. Give you some fans of the classic style, right? Oh, I would suggest printing the source of the PDF, but that sounds funnier. Like a funnier idea. Yeah, right. Just print every frame. You wanted the demonstration printed? All right, here you go. All the frames. And then you can title it and subtitle it with this guy too before you print it out. It's fine. OG track, right? Exactly. Oh. At least they also want the thesis being burned to a CD for archiving. I mean, okay. I mean, do CDs really work for that? I have a few CDs from like 10, 15 years ago. They're in horrid shape. They're like orange or whatever. Like they're starting to like degrade. All right, so let's see. That one. Okay. Capture. All right, forgot I had that up there still. Good. Good person. How you doing? I love that the first website I found describing what this system is has a question mark for half the specs. Yeah. Not a lot is known about this thing, which is the bane of my I have so much crap that spawned off of not much is known about this device. Oh, that means I need to buy one and figure it out. So I've got this now. I've got a Famicom touchpad, tablet, excuse me. That's behind the green screen. I've got turn the power off first. That almost went to the floor. I've got this thing, which is a tape drive for the Famicom. What the hell else do I have for this stupid thing? I don't remember. I've got the dance pad thing. Put that back in there. Fun cooking pop on LD. Yeah, on laser disc. It's not like the complete thesis will have on GitHub anyways, right? All right, so yeah, pictures. I'll have a look at that later. Okay, so this is the touchpad. It is in horrible shape. This is terrible shape, this thing. But it looks like that's like some kind of protective film that went bad. Let me turn off. Okay. It looks like it's some kind of protective film that went bad. It does work. But it is in. Oh, it's seen better days. It's seen better days. That's why I'm like using like the top of my nail, kind of like going to. Yeah, I don't want to. Yeah, it works. But when I get this thing open, when I'm going to see if I can fix that whole situation. So that's that. Power and reset buttons there, by the way. This is the top of the device. So I've got a bunch of buttons up here that say things I don't know what they mean. And a switch there. Don't know what that does. This is your eject button. This right here, you can kind of almost see it. Game and whatever the hell else that is. So down you can put a cartridge in it or whatever. Up is it locks the gate for the thing, right? Because it's like the SNES, right? Where it like parts like a gate kind of to put the thing in. Time to learn Japanese. I mean, I try badly, but I try. How you doing, by the way? Welcome. Yeah, so it locks that closed. So I can't actually like move that switch while something's in there because something physically like gets in the way of that slot. Yeah. So if I grab the time, pop that out, and that button stays down. Go here. Pop that. Let me turn this guy back on, and then turn it back on. Gives me that. The embedded ROM. No. Not exactly the same production. I sent you a link at Discord that should basically help explain what it is. Yeah, so I vaguely know what this thing does, right? Vaguely. I have ideas. Alright, is this gonna load? I need to like... Oh, it's Twitter shit. Come on now. Come on. Why aren't you loading? What scripts do I have to allow? Fucking load, damn it. What the hell, really? Doesn't want to load. Doesn't want to load the images. Is it a toaster? No. Is this... Loading video camera was not unusual. Being able to edit video was something almost no consumer could do, however. Non-linear editing was like, like we have now, didn't exist. Yeah. Nothing is capable of spooling digital video digitally, so you can do things like this. You could by was real-time effects. Yeah, that's basically what this thing does. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. 3 VCRs. I do have 2 VCRs that I can hook up to this. Wait, I do have that Indiana Jones tape somewhere, don't I? Like my test tape? I don't know. Yeah, none of these are loading because these are all like Twitter embeds or some shit, right? Oh, here we go. What the hell? What's this one? Yeah, okay. And this guy is alright, sure. And what's this guy? Okay, sure. This guy? Oh, this is, oh, okay. I see what you're saying. So this, yeah. Yeah, okay. Weird shit. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah. So this is the top of the thing. Where's my pictures again? Hang on. This is the back of the thing right here. So I've got the output right there. This I assume is input. That first character is the character for like exit. So output. It's got S-video. It's got this. It's got RF. I don't know what the hell the pinout for this is. I don't know. Entrance to exit sounds right. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. And then there is this. I just saw this earlier tonight on stream. I don't know what any of this is. Input, right. Sassy Fajita. How you doing? A superimpose switch? What the heck is this thing? So, oh yeah, that's what the top is. That little switch. All right. So this is the Famicom Titler. You can like put titles on things or whatever, right? So like the attract mode on this, it like goes through a bunch of title cards of different kind of events that you might have on video, right? Your Christmas video or whatever. The DIN 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, maybe. Yeah. I recognize the ornaments, kind of. I don't remember what it's for. But that character is used as like a tally mark in some things. DIN 8. Yes, it looks... Ooh, well, I mean... Can I get like a... Oh, yeah, shit. It's a fucking MIDI port. Let's go. I mean, obviously not. The shit on there is not MIDI, obviously. But it's the same cable. What is this for? Is this for USB twin? No. Mini is a DIN 5. Shit, is it? Oh, yeah. MIDI port. You're right. It's close. It's close. Not quite, but it's close. All right. All right. So then I couldn't use that. That's unfortunate. But yeah. But yeah. That's what this thing is. First I think this, I'll do a JIT for small talk. Small talk 80 targeting risk 5. And I quote my professor here: if you want to get the job in the next semester, you have to learn risk 5 anyways. So this is a good opportunity as any. Ah! Commodore and a few others have DIN 8 connectors for video. Yeah, from what I understand, that isn't a obscure format for this era. It is for this for modern times, but not, I guess, for late 80s. DIN 8 RF video. The wrong type DIN plug. Oh, it's the... Wait a minute. What kind... Hang on, what kind is on here? This is a different plug than the Commodore's. Isn't it? Yeah, that's a different... That's not the Commodore. No. One DIN 8 was a peripheral bus. Wasn't it? DIN 5 was video. And then some machines had a DIN port for power. My thermal printer has a DIN port for power. Yeah, I'm going to have to figure out what the pinout of that is before I even attempt to make anything for it. Yeah. Yeah. J3Z, how you doing? New toy, woo! I don't know how to use it, but it works, which is neat. That's what's playing up there. Oh. Mentioned job being a teaching assistant for module. He'll be teaching in the summer term. Oh, nice. Not bad. But yeah, okay, so it's got a bunch of that stuff going on, right? So, this one. So yeah, I don't know how to like use this thing at all. Like these buttons actually do anything on the front? They're not stopping the attract mode, that's for sure. Oh! No. I think that was that one. Which one was that? Reset. Okay, that was the last one. That's what that was. No. Had a machine with DIN power too. Back when PSUs did multiple voltages, instead of having one input, the motherboard transforms further. This will jump out to a tape deck or a camera or whatever, so you can do overlays, right? As far as I am aware, yes. Yes. In fact, let me hang on. I'm curious if anything will show up. No! Let's go! That's what that switch does. Okay. Oh boy. right, here we go. I wasn't expecting it to be that clear, honestly. That's... No, I assume the stuff on the side is for the RF stuff or something. I can kind of see some lines going, which is probably part of the unit. I don't see them really here. Not that they would show up, but yeah. Oh boy. All right. So let me come over here, and I want to at least transcribe that so we can figure out what all this stuff is and get it written down. Right? Right. Okay. So, damn retro Japanese equipment! How dare they not internationalize their menus for their domestic-only stuff? I guess this is technically an S. Make their titler, CD titler. Menu text. All right. I'm gonna need over here this one, so I can kind of like I'm gonna be honest. I am exhausted today, so I'm not even gonna try to like remember what these characters actually are. Come on. I'm just gonna start drawing them out. Title. Oh well, okay. Title. That makes sense. Title. Is that a what the fuck is that? So something like this, maybe, and then. Hang on, I gotta make this a little bigger. I'm sorry. Wait, no, I can just. That's fine. I'll do it there. It's fine. It's fine. That's not a 0, right? That, and then that. Yeah, that's probably it. And then, I'm probably drawing that wrong, but I don't care. Title call. Yay, I mean, kind of, not really. Did I update my title? Not quite study box. I mean, though technically it's there. It's not what we're concentrating on tonight, though. Tonight, whenever it is. Not actually study box, only as video input right now. We're only using that as something to feed into this guy right here. Gusti. Is that your name? Is that Costa? Cost code? I see you over on YouTube there too. I'm sorry. I do have the chat open. It's just I don't see it as much. I apologize. Yeah, that's what I got. Wait, do that again. I'm gonna make this kind of big. Whoa, a little bigger so I can actually read it there. I know you can't now see like a quarter of my screen. That's fine. Don't worry about it. Similarly obscure. Yeah, similarly obscure. It's one of those things that, like, you know, I saw the not much is known about this, and that's a shit. I need to buy it. God damn it. I must have it. So that's what happened here. And this might actually be better than my handwriting, actually. Drawing with a mouse. How do I? Oh boy. This is like that, and then I'm gonna assume like that and that, but I think that one should have been sooner. This one? Create title. Okay. Okay. So create your titles, call your title, like display your titles, right? Maybe. You think this works with a keyboard? Which is basically a device for overlaying subtitles, etc., on a video stream. Yes, based on the Famicom hardware. Yes. Do you think this thing can use the keyboard? I have it right here. Damn it! Really? Even with... Oh, that's unfortunate. That's a missed opportunity. Not quite, but sure. Missed opportunity is what that is. Yeah, sure. Oh, God. Oh, I'm gonna get back to the menu. Hang on. Hey. There we go. All right. And then next is gonna be. Well, hang on. This over here like that. God, what the hell is that? What the hell is that? I don't know what the hell that is. One, and then another one, and then two more. Oh, it's behind everything. Jojo! How you doing? Thank you. Thank you for 59 months. My God.
Oh, hi there.
How you doing? Welcome. Get out of the, you're in the way. Okay, now I can actually read it. I'm using my OBS output to see the output for this, by the way. Because my TV is in the other room. All right, I don't have my TV in here. Oh God, I don't. What the hell is this character? Something like that, maybe. It got it. All right. That. And then way like that, and then down. That. That one. Call settings. Okay. Title something else. Oh, Jesus. Fun work rants? No. No, I haven't gone into any rant. Because Jojo, I unboxed this thing 10 minutes before stream. 10 minutes. It's a nifty little device. It's got some secrets to it. Welcome. How you doing? Yeah, Captain Pie did have a rant. That's true. Captain Pie did have his own little rant. Bureaucracy rant. The German bureaucracy. Something to add when you do the translation. Right? I do. We can figure this out though. This pad, we can figure out how we talk to that. I think we can. I've got an idea. Like it probably uses some of the expansion stuff, right? So I'm just gonna, I don't know, write up some debug stuff on that key test ROM I've got that just dumps out values that it reads. Now, we'll pretend like it's the what you call it, the tablet. We'll pretend it's, I don't know, the expansion stuff. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. No. I can pin it. Have I mentioned the hell Ruby is? I maybe a few days ago. I think a few days ago. I remember you saying something about Ruby being terrible. All right. So next character. I can like barely see what this shit is too. And then like that. There. And then something over there like that. And then got some weird shit up here. It does some more really jank shit. This one. I mean, we've only got a few pixels. Okay. All right. Wait, what happened to the? Shit! I did the wrong character. God damn it. I've heard that Rails was the thing that made Ruby bearable, so that's what I've heard too. Because if it doesn't, people would drink the Ruby Kool-Aid. Yeah. Wasn't it like Rails made Ruby tolerable earliest before other languages caught up to speed, right? Something like that. Something along those lines. I have never seen this character. That is it this one? It's that one. Title registration. What is this? A DMV? Ruby was and Rails was realized into all the cool kills. That's for Python, right? Rails made web development easier first. Yeah. At the time, it was the best web framework. So I've heard. Yeah. All right, so this is like meh, right? Menu dash 1. Menu 1. And then we've got a menu. Okay, if I hold up, hang on. I gotta actually like use the right thing for that. Menu 2. Huh? No. Nope. I do want the 2 there though. Go to menu 2. Right. Yeah, I figured that's what that was. Because I mean, if I hit that, it goes to the other menu, and at the top of the screen, above the arrow in yellow, this is menu 1. So like, I figured that's what that was. Yeah. Oh, so that means that's he, right? He. Or as it's pronounced. Yeah. Go to menu 2. Yep. Okay. And then on menu 2, we've got some other things. Again, I'm going to draw this because I can't be bothered to actually read. The he. Yeah. Pronounced though, right? User RB, that's not as far for the user controller user endpoint that runs the user, but it calls the user mapper. Oh, so it's the birthplace of the model view controller bullshit? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Thank you for the follow, by the way. Appreciate it. Appreciate that. Python has the same issue, except people use classes to define things. Ah. So when you see a class, you know it has all the fields. So is it like a lot of guesswork in Ruby then? Is that what it is? Is that why it's garbage? So is it that way, like that? Probably. And then it's that one first, and then that. Yep. And then that. I drew that wrong, but that's fine. It figured it out. Pull. Pop. 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 Campus. Dot. Where's like a center dot? Dot. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, which one is it? Oh, God. Oh, God, which one is it? Oh, Jesus. I forgot about... Oh, no. Is it this one? Roll. Maybe? Terrorism! What? That doesn't sound right. With a little one of those. Okay, this I don't think is the right character. We're going to try a different character there. We're going to try this one instead. No. I don't know which one it is. Oh, God. Which one is it? Hear that. Is it this other one? Wait. Oh, God. It was the right character after all. Yeah. Small yawn. This is a small one, isn't it? That's actually a small one. Oh, up here. This one. That guy. The little one. Ticker! Okay. That makes more sense. All right. We can't see the. I understand. I know. I'm using this right here in OBS. The translation's there. To actually to transcribe. I don't have a TV set up right now. For my output is literally OBS on the screen here, so I just made it like big and out of the way of chat. That's why it's in the way. Sorry. My task is to create swagger docs, which says this endpoint accepts this model and returns with these statutes. Oh God. No. It'll translate a screenshot, right? Yeah. I do know that, but I want to write it out. Yeah, I want the transcription too, because the translation, like, first off, the machine translation is gonna be dog shit. Basically, it'll get close. What I'm really doing this for isn't for the translation. It's for this part over here, so I can copy this. Whoa. God damn it. Let's switch that on through like that. Hit. So I can copy that. There it goes. And then paste it over here. Yes, really paste that. So now, I've got it in a text document, right? That's really what I want to do. No. Paste. Menu 2. Menu 1. Menu 2 is also going to have a go to 1. So we're going to yank that style of 1. Oh, I need the full width one, don't I? That's a half width. Look at that. I thought I yanked that. What the hell? Yank. Paste. I mean, okay. Fine. Can I yank just that one? Finn, what the hell? Really? Really? Are you gonna... I don't even have it turned on right now. This one. Maybe I did. That is... Fuck. I gotta turn it back to main so I can enter insert mode. Now go back to Japanese. There it goes. Yeah, see, that's not the right width for this guy. I need a full width, damn it. Oh, that's good. All right, we got it. We got it. It's good. It's fine. Back to main, so now I can do that stuff. Good. Okay. Get rid of that line. Right. Okay. It's about the adventure, okay? About there's fine. All right. Next, I hate how I can like barely see the mouse cursor on this. It's because I'm inverting the color on it, right? But yeah, sorry for the flashbang, by the way. Speaking of flashbangs, just before while I was eating, I watched the Technology Connectors video that came out today about camera flashes. It's pretty neat. Alright, so we're gonna like that. It's probably not the correct order, but again, I don't really care right now. Don't you just love my handwriting here with the mouse? Beautiful, isn't it? It's beautiful, isn't it? Temporary execution. Okay, sure. Sure. Fine. That, uh-huh. Yeah, why not? This guy here. Disappear. That one. Erase. Okay. Okay. Probably change the mouse cursor to inverted one too. For the main cursor if you want to work. It's working way too. I mean, the website changes the cursor. I think for that one. I think that's Google doing that. I don't think I have OS control over that necessarily. I mean, if I screwed around with the JavaScript, probably, but I'm not about to do that. I'm not about to do that because no, ew, what? What the hell is that? Hey, what? What even is? Okay, let's see if I can get close enough for Google to figure out what the hell it is. Where am I? What the devil? I've never seen this character in my life. How many? There's two inside. All right. Like that. This one? It's disgusting. All right, but yeah. Two more. 1, 2. And all the way down. And then another one across. And then like that. This guy? Yup. Start editing. Whoa. Okay. All right. We're going to copy that. Go over to here. Paste it. Yes. Okay. I don't know what any of this does, but, you know. No. Websites can change the cursor to an actual image these days, not just pick between the OS ones. Fair enough, huh? What do you mean these days? That was the thing back in freaking MySpace days, back when I was in high school. That was the hot shit. We like, you know, changed the mouse cursor and gave it like trails and made the screen snow. It's been around for a while. Ever since JavaScript's been a thing, it's been around, I think. Right. Okay, so. Let's grab this. I don't really need that in there. Can I put it up here? Whoop. Go to main 2, and then. But. And it's just. Nope, I want this one. I don't know why I'm doing over here. Like this, not really necessary, but whatever. Menu 2, menu 1. Yeah. So what is this campus thing? What? What? Wait, it's two separate things. Huh? Okay. Hey, it's Color a Dinosaur. Oh, no. Oh no. Pet from Cam's Oshoko distraction. What? Oh dear. That doesn't utilize. Oh no. Oh. Okay. Ha! What? English? What? As soon as mentioned the chapter that dropped last week. We both forgot it. Oops. Good job, guys. Good job. Which one is this again? What option did I choose? What really is... I'm not satisfied with this translation here. So let me put these on 2 separate lines. Telop. That doesn't make any fucking sense. I mean, Telop. Is this supposed to be like... What the hell is that other character? Like... Hang on. Let me... Hang on. Blah, 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 Japanese, blah, blah, blah. Yes! No! Ah! What do you mean? Ah! Oh, God! Don't yell at me! Stop yelling! Ah! The star... Yeah, I know which one it is. I know which one. Yeah. Roll. Where... What the hell? There. Right? No, there. Roll. That one. What the huh? Deeple, help me out here. Deeple, please. Telop was really what is this? What the hell is a Telop? Television optical slide projector. What? It's literally just this. I know what's behind the thing, yeah. Look at him on G-Show. What the hell is G-Show? Oh, the dictionary. Well, hey, let me hide this guy real quick, so you can actually see what I'm looking at here. And about there. Yeah. 4-channel was a trademark name of a multifunction Let me start over. A Telop was a trademark name of a multifunction 4-channel project-all slide projector developed by the Gray Research and Development Company for television usage, introduced in 1949. It was best remembered in the industry as an opaque slide projector for title cards. Uh-huh. Are there pictures of these things? All right. That's a big one. Wait, is it the little thing down there? Is that what that... in the early days of television, there were 2 types of slides for broadcast: a transparent slide or transparency, and an opaque slide or ballop. Transparency slides were prepared as 2-inch square cards mounted in cardboard glass. Okay. Can I connect it to the NES? So about that, I already have. So I've got my Famicom plugged into this guy, and my Famicom has the study box plugged into it. So it's yeah, it's an interesting mess of some kind of rare hardware. And yes, I can still like go through the menu here while can I actually hang on? Is this? Wait a minute. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, so this is its like Just the unit. It's doing its thing. That's with it on the background video. It's got background video. What is a titler? It is a thing that puts video on top of other things, which I think this demonstrates hilariously. Yeah, so I have plugged my Famicom into this device. So the Famicom is providing the background video, the study box portion of it. And everything else is coming in. That's off of this guy right here. That's off the titler. So yeah, there's a little switch on the front of it to like opaque and not opaque, I guess, transparent or whatever. Which looks like it just takes the transparent color and like feeds the input through the PPU, and the PPU uses that as the background color instead of the color of the background. And the titler sends the signal to the screen. Yes. So I've got my Famicom hooked up to the titler's input, and then the output of that I've got going to a capture card. Yes. I thought you were looking at the Nest satellite. That came the other day. That thing was like $15. That's in rough shape. I've got that in pieces over there. It's covered in rust and like corrosion and shit. I'm gonna have to clean that up tomorrow. Where does it get the other picture from? The study box portion of it. That's another Famicom. That's over here. That's a different one. So I can plug in like a VCR to this, which is I assume the purpose, right? So you plug in a VCR and you get title cards that go across screen and all kind of shit, right? Yeah. Yeah. The neat thing about this, there's no cartridge in here, right? I cannot put a cartridge in here and get this on screen like this. If I put a cartridge in there, it's the game mode. Without the cartridge, it does this, which means there's an embedded cartridge in this bastard. And from pictures that I have seen online, it is socketed. It's a socketed EEPROM, which means, in theory, I don't have to use a solder iron to potentially burn the shit out of the board to get the chip and dump the ROM, because I don't think this ROM's been dumped yet. VCR, cable TV, DVD player, computer, basically. Yeah, basically any compatible video sources. This thing has a few inputs on it. This one. Let me turn this back on and get no, not this one. Get it smaller. Put it over there. They just go in the background. It's got a few inputs on it. This is the back of it. You can see you can see my mess of a setup here. This is the back of it. So the top is the output. Top is output, so that's what's plugged into my capture card. The bottom is the input. This is composite, S-video, and fucking RF. I don't know the pin on that thing. No. Yeah, so that's the back of it. That's the input and output on it. This is the top of the thing. This is a touchpad that is in atrocious shape. I'm gonna have to figure out if I can revive this. It does work. The touchpad does work. It's in rough shape though. It's seen better days. It has seen better days. But yeah, so this right here is that the switch for the transparent or not, right? There's a menu button, and the rest of them I don't know what happens. It does work. It does in fact work. I can prove it. Like over here. I'm curious about like the animation shit that it's doing. Like, is that stuff I can actually do? So here, this is where like you put in your shit, right? Did I do it right? Aha! I did it right. Oh my goodness. And it like recognizes handwriting on a 6502. What? At least I think that's what it's doing. There's more boards in here. I don't know what they do. I haven't opened this yet. This weekend I probably will crack it open. Yeah. It's a fake suit. Jojo, get the fuck out of here. Do you seriously not know what Risk 5 is, though? What those Japanese need to invent in order to be able to write. Right? Is a CPU architecture of some sort? There are real hardware implementations. There are, yes. There's even single board computers that have like a, not exactly dev boards, but like they're Pi adjacent, kind of, right? So basically the same as ARM or SwiftUI or X. ARM is actually a RISC type architecture, yeah. The class that did it, but there was no way to run the assembly we wrote. Not even in QEMU or whatever? Really? Oh. Oh, don't let me select it once? Oh, no. Oh, that's terrible. Okay. Well, let me do it again. I bet your stroke order matters. That's disgusting. Stroke order is very important. All right. No. Can I try again? Oh, dear. What do I do? That. What did that one come out of? He has no idea. How do I clear it? Oh, I just draw again. Okay. Yes, there are real CPUs. Yes. Anyway. 5,000 for an 8 gig RAM laptop amount. Jesus. That's super confusing. I want to write real assembly. I mean, technically it was real. Technically. There's quite a few by now, I believe, since it's not limited to just one manufacturer. It's an open ISA. Yes. Software processor of some sort, of some website we used to run it. Okay, yeah. Wait, comma. Yeah. Comma. Wait, what? Okay, so let me get back to my transcription here. Over here. Create title. Okay. Title call. What? What is any of this? Huh? Jesus. What? Do I have all this copied in? Yeah, okay. Okay. Seasons? Is that really what that is? Seasons? 3 to 5, 6 to 8. Because that's the character from month, isn't it? Oh, at the end. That's the character from month, isn't it? Oh my god, it's presets! Hey, wait a minute. Hang on. That's the girl that wanted money, isn't it? This is the one that was in the study box stuff, right? Flower. Let's use that one. Sure. What did that say? I don't know what that meant. I probably should have stopped and transliterated that or whatever. Title something. All right. All right. Erase? Wait a minute. Huh? I know you can't see my screen. It will be erased. Copy that. Paste it down. I know you can't see it. Will be erased. Am I sure? No. Let's search the ROM for yes or no. The ROM isn't dumped yet. Because here's the others. So these are all on the in the title screen. or the attract mode thing. All right, yeah, this is like all it's all the season stuff. There's the Christmas one. More Christmas. More Christmas. New Year's. That's what it was for. New Year's. That animate? No. Okay. Oh God. All right. Yep. How do I want to like enter and exit? Maybe. Aha. Interesting. Okay, we're gonna turn that off real quick. I don't know what it is then. Which one's a temporary execution? This one? No, that's erase. I really should. Ah! Huh. I'm pressing the number buttons up here. 4, nope. 3, nope. 2, nope. 1. That's 1. Don't forget that there's battery back there in this thing. Oh, right. Oh. You don't want to put together a Boj board so you can get the custom ROM into the socket in order to dump the local RAM just in case. Which would be all this stuff here for the RAM. Ah! Alright, so let's move over here. Okay, so this is all. Let me reset. Back to the menu. So like season stuff, right? Oh, page. Is there page 2? Jesus. So much shit. All right, so this one was title call, right? Yeah. Okay. Title call. Page 1. Title call 1. Let me make this a little bigger so I can see that. Oops, okay. Look at the season stuff above. Oh, right. Thank you. Copy that. I'm gonna paste it in here just so I can. 3. What are the others? I just copy. There. Thank you, Bridgewater. Appreciate that. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Makes sense. Makes sense. Yep. This one. Copy. Thank you. Appreciate it. Excursion. Excursions. Oh. Okay. Where are we going? Catching bugs? Or trains? This kind of looks like the plane from the study box a little bit, not gonna lie. As the car went, trains! The kanji has feet! The kanji's got feet! Onigiri. Oh. Oh shit! That's the wrong button. I don't know what that said. Shit. Did I get all of them though? Amusement park stuff. All right. Traveling? Yeah, basically. Yeah, traveling. Much different sports, I guess. See, tennis, baseball, skiing, soccer, golf. Oh, all right. Wait, what? Huh? What the hell's going on here? Right? I mean, I get the pun with the zoo. I get that. But Cat and Pies works too. Makes me uncomfortable. Okay, we're back to the start. All right. Page 2. Happy wedding! What are they doing with this? This is like an English game, isn't it? Like Britain or whatever, right? England. Crochet. No, croquet? The fuck is it? It's some weird sport that you play with the things and the thing. Cricket. No, cricket's the one with the bat. No. Cricket's. No. Solo, how you doing? It might be that one. The polo's on the horses. Don't you know from the clothing company? This weird ass game. This thing. Croquet or whatever the hell. Thank you, by the way. How you doing? Welcome. It's non-horse polo. Yes. Basically, yeah. More French than British. Same-ish difference. It's still not what I would expect on a domestic Japanese machine. Horses polo. Noted. Panel plays it often in summer. Well, with house rules. Yeah, so when I was growing up, we had a set of this. Nobody knew, like, No. I think at one point, I actually knew how to play this. It was probably house rules, because I was, like, fucking 10 or some shit, right? Because I distinctly remember now, like, if you hit an opponent's ball, for whatever reason, you'd, like, line them up like this, right? And you'd put your foot on your ball, and you'd smack yours, and it'd send the opponent's ball flying. No. In particular, we don't set up the standard pattern of gates. Yeah, I honestly don't remember, like, anything about this game other than that I destroyed the mallets. I think. Like, the mallets, I was not kind to the mallets. All right. That's one of the things we don't do. Yeah, my family was cruel. All right. Literally this right here. That right there. Literally that. Have enough trouble avoiding bushes and stuff. Yeah, we didn't have that much. We didn't have too much problem with the bushes thing, but God, this was like a locked memory of mine. Good God, I had completely forgotten about this shit. And yeah, like the kind we had were like this style, like this exact style. As the fuck you get out of here. Yeah, pretty much. Playing in the garden, not a big garden. You have a garden? It's fancy with a garden. Probably had one of these fancy setups too. All right, what else? What else is in here? Oh, how sweet. Birthday, I guess. Yeah. Happy birthday! Speaking of sake, I've got a bunch in the fridge that I may open up in a little bit. So I'll just play that at home. Yeah, just in the living room. Is the garden like yard? I'd assume. I have no idea. I don't know. Because I found out UK people call a yard a garden. Yeah, for here, for stateside, a garden is specifically something you, like, plant shit in. Like a garden of flowers, or like a vegetable garden, or etc., you know? Yeah. Happy wedding! Okay, so that's all those. Just text. Wait, is this... Really? NG... Okay. Alright. 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 Uh-huh. Alright. Sure. The baby's born. It's all baby stuff, I guess. Yep. Okay. Elephant. What's with the elephant? What's that? I have no idea. I don't know what these units are. 48 kilograms, maybe? I don't know. That might be then basically rear of house. Yes, there's open areas with grass, but also painted flower beds and bushes and trees and such. Ah, okay. Planted flower beds. Centimeters and grams. I'm too American for those. About 10 pounds. All right. Did that... Oh, I thought the cat had glasses on. It's a big baby. That's a lot of this one. Good God. There's... This is the most populated one so far, I think. Yeah. Measurements at 1 month old this year. That could make sense. Oh. Showing off how big of a baby it can support. Oh. Yeah, because it does have... oh, well, if I put my mouse up there, it goes underneath the thing. The 1 month stuff up there, I guess. All right, that's what that says, right? Yeah. All right, what's next? Fuji. So, funny story. Quick side tangent. Growth record, first month. Got it. So, the second time? Yeah, second time I went to Japan. I went with my brother. We went down to an island called Enoshima, which is, I don't know, about an hour or so south of Tokyo. Basically, right next to the mountain, right? But it's a little island, and there's like a viewing tower on it where, like, it's like a 360 tower, right? And around like all the windows and whatever, it's got like the skyline, but it's labeled, right? So like this is this, this is that, this is this. Look over where Fuji's supposed to be. It's on the thing labeled Fuji. Fog. Fog. I didn't see it. It wasn't until I was on the plane heading out of the country that I actually saw the mountain. I was so disappointed. The end. Okay. Yep. All right. Yep. Sitting with that Google app on smartphone, just translating the video. I figured as much. Yeah. Fin, if you want to feel. If you want to be all fancy. Fin. What's with the NG? That's like that's like shorthand for no good or whatever, right? In slang or whatever. Like Suzuku to be continued. Chunky nuggies. That's Fuji again. 1, 5. Oh. Oh, I see. Yeah, the NG collection. Oh. Oh, wait. My NG. Wait a minute. What? Is that what that says? My NG collection? Hang on. My own, yes. NG, yeah. My bloopers? Yeah. Alright, that was that. Memory stuff. I mean, better NG than S. I mean, I guess. It's NG. I see NG as the more tame NSFW. Not exactly NSFW, but like not allowable, I guess, right? Like, I've heard it used a lot in context for like Japanese VTubers that are corporation stuff. Like, oh, this is NG. Like, we can't say this kind of thing, right? Yeah. Wait, we're oh, because that's literally the go back to first menu. I was surprised when it went back to the first menu. Not socially acceptable. Not necessarily socially, but like not allowed in a given context or whatever. Yeah. Excursion. Oh yeah, so like that's you're going somewhere. You're going on an excursion, right? You're going on a trip. You're going to catch dragonflies. You're going on the train. That's the stand for no good. No good in this context. Yeah, probably like something along the lines of bloopers then. Yeah. Going on a train, you're driving somewhere. Fun trip, exactly. Yeah, an excursion. So that was, what, this one? Nope, that was this one. Where did that come from? Huh? Sure. Okay. Yeah. I don't know what that says. Will I stay up long? This might stay up long enough for me to actually. No. We're gonna write it down using the wrong freaking mouse. Okay. Okay. Save from last time someone used it, maybe. That's what I'm guessing. Yeah. Press the memory number. Is that what that says there? Where I want to write it. 2. Yes. So now, if I go to, what is it? This one? And then... Nope. No. I do want this one. But like... This... No, this one. Nope. Which one was the one to do it? Wait, that's erase. I don't want to erase. No. Okay. Temporary execution? I think so, yes. Yeah, the one on top of erase. Right. Oh, so this is like a loop. Okay. Okay. All right. I see. I see. Oh, how do I get out of this? Oh shit. Okay. All right. Start editing. One, two. I see. So you assign the things to the buttons, then you hit the button at the appropriate time. Is it 5? Aha! So this is presumably where you'd be recording to take cassette or whatever with the thing on. So you do boop. There's that, and then hit number 2, and that slides in, and then you wait a second, hit the button, and it shows more text. Got it. I'll get out of that. Okay. I see. I see. Okay. Now I'm curious what the rest of the buttons say. Let me bring up the picture of that. Far and you're going somewhere far and you're walking there. All right, so not that stuff. This stuff here. All this crap. So these are the buttons I was pressing before. I assigned something to 2 on that one. So I know what this does. Yeah. So the top one is like transparent. The bottom one is translucent. No, opaque. Translucent. Not exactly transparent, but you know. More of a field trip, I guess. Superimpose. Let me bring this over here so I can actually get the kanji out of that. Whip. Let me bring it over a little bit more. And then typeface inversion. Letter color. Oh, you reading off the... Okay, all right. All right. That. Really? Cut. Enter. Okay. All right. Supa. Su. Pa. Okay, well. Impose. Yeah. E. N. Po. Back up one. Po. Z. Like my hand right in there. Superimpose. No. Enter. Cut. All right. Wow. Okay, that was closer than I was expecting it, to be honestly. I didn't see that real quick. Google Translate at its finest. Oh man, yeah. All right, so we already know that one's menu. Yeah, I figured menu. Yeah, because that's over here as well. So that one's not too hard. This one though. I've seen this character before. I've seen a lot of this character, and I hate it. I hate this character. It's a pain in the ass to draw. There's another one there, and another one, and then it's got another fucking box down there. That's the one. There. Typeface. What typefaces does this have? Does it have one? Can I like, change that while it's... Where's was it this one? No. Yeah, sure. Wasn't that the one? Was this the one? Typeface does not. Anyway. Don't see it. Hype will eventually die out like a bubble when people finally realize the AI is not magic. Yeah, hopefully. Probably can type in the stuff. Possibly, you know. Possibly. Alright, anyway, next we got this character. Pain, not that bad. I did that wrong. But close enough for now. That one. Inversion. Alright. Next one we got this god-awful character. Thank you for the follow, appreciate that. And then I really should plug in my tablet for this. That one. Oh, I screwed that up. Let's Google, help me out here. Beautiful. Colors. Oh my god. Yeah, I got that one already. Where are we going? Alright, the top one? Yeah. Typeface. Letter color. I really wish I had my TV in here. How about this? Do any of these buttons do anything while I'm... That did something. Hit the other buttons while this is happening. Actually, that. What, actually import the pie chart font? I mean, maybe. We can do colors, apparently. While supposed to take, will probably remain useful for some things. The hype will probably die out. I'm hoping the hype will die out. Yeah. It really helped. I can't read. I just realized this is a massive vent up top. That's a massive vent. It's actually putting out a little bit of heat. Okay. Clag Hamster, how you doing? Welcome. I have a funny little device that puts text on other things. This was working fast. So let me bring this over here and hide that real quick. So this thing is kind of in two halves. You can actually see kind of the line down the middle, right? Over here, that's where the Famicom lives. Over here is like video shit. Like, looks like the inside of a VCR almost, minus the cassette working bullshit. Passively cool, but still hot enough to need some airflow. Yeah. Yeah. This thing takes a bit more power than the I shouldn't have closed that. Than the Famicom. Just a bit. I don't know what amperage this takes, but 7.6 and 14 volts apparently. It's got 3 pins in the thing. I don't know. Good press is hard work, yeah. Let me, excuse me, let me open that up again. Over here? Open sesame. Yeah, it's got a little touchpad thing on it that is in atrocious shape. It's in terrible shape. Let's see, the letter color is that one. Okay, so next is the end of right there. Next, we got this guy. Wrong order for all that, but it's fine. Insert. Okay, if you say so. Isn't good enough. I want the transcription as well. That's why I'm doing this. I want the transcription. Is that the delete stuff again? It's different. Different characters. So, two, and then oh, that was terrible, but it figured it out. Then this thing, I don't know what the hell. I know I got the strokes wrong for that. I don't really care, honestly. It's fine. It's fine. Google can still figure it out. Google. It's the Half-Life logo. I mean, almost, I guess. Oh. They sent me the form as DocX. No! Kampai, if it makes you feel any better. Oh my god. So, there was some audit bullshit I had to do today. Customer wanted to make sure that, like, we don't have their files after 30 days or whatever. This one customer, they have like 6 programs. I talked to the VP. He's like, yeah, just do the easiest one. It's fine. Huh? By the way, do the easiest one or whatever. Directory listing with dates. Take a screenshot. Paste it into a document. Send it off. Not to mention, I did clean up those folders before I took a screenshot because of fucking, why wouldn't I? Government Half-Life. I'm sorry that it doesn't mean Half-Life. This predates Half-Life, the game, by a few years. Just a few. Just a few. No. Hey, no, by the way, Colin, I don't think I said hi yet. Yeah. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. How's your night going? Alright. Go over here again. So that's menu. Like, nothing alike, though. I mean, I can see there's some similarities, but yes, you're right. They are different symbols. Alright. To the untrained eye, though, I guess they look the same. Shit, I had it. Where'd it go? Wait, no, I didn't. It's that one. One of the files contained the form to allow the university to quote-unquote publish the thesis, make it accessible later. This is a PDF of a scanned form, obviously without form fields. Kampai, did I tell you about the stuff I had to fill out when I got hired for my current job? The job that what we do is we produce printed documents and PDFs for the web. That is our business. That's what I was sent for my application shit. A piece of paper that was scanned 17 times. It was like the 17th generation, I'm sure. I could count the pixels on some of the letters. They scanned it to me. It was fucking crooked and everything. Sorry, nurse, and send it back. And I'm like, what is this? You need a Famicom Titler. You can overlay the answers on the document. Yeah. Basically, just print it, fill it, and scan it back in. So the other week, HR had sent us some stuff to sign because they forgot to last month or whatever. It's a PDF. My coworker, the retiree, printed it, physically signed it, scanned it back in, to email back to HR. And I'm like, do you guys print A4, bundle it as a book, and send it over internationally? I mean, I probably could. I could figure out A4 on the printers. I mean, the printer can probably do it. It's from France. Which, by the way, this $6 million printer needs to be replaced by the end of the year. Also, my company owns 4 of them in 3 different locations. They're $6 million a pop, and we need 4 new ones. Because Xerox decided to end the contract early by 3 years. Not those. I mean, those have been breaking, like, consistently. Differently, consistently. Yeah. All kinds of weird shit breaking on those things. Believe me. But no, the big roll printer, the Impica, that thing. That thing's being decommissioned this year, which I find hilarious. Something else I also find hilarious. I don't know the stroke order for this thing. So we're getting a new mail inserter machine thing, right? It's large though. It's very large. So large, in fact, that it's not going to fit in the same spot that of the old one that it's replacing. So they're going to take out the old one. Then they're going to take the brand new printers we just put in 6 months ago, take those and put them in the other corner of the room so the new inserter can go where the printers currently are, because it's too big. I'm gonna send you a PDF. You can try it out, Lamau. I don't know if they'll actually let me print it, but no. But yeah, those new printers, they have broken all. One of them, while I was there today, Archiboots was telling me how, like, the motor on the fuser was busted somehow. Like, the gear is probably crap because it's like missing teeth now, I think. We've had these for 6 months. Another one, it just started ignoring one of the stackers, like completely ignoring it. It'd print out exactly 18 pages to that stacker, and then think that we just fucking unplugged the thing or something. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. How the hell am I supposed to do this? I'll do it like this, and then like this, and then like that. Because it. That one? Previous screen. What in the hell is the stroke order for this? Does this show me stroke order? No. Well. Nope. Nah, it's to draw the kind. Okay. Show the links. Details. Wow. I had it very wrong. Oh my god. I was way off. Oh my god. Before or after you move, it'll start breaking different ways. Oh, it's almost guaranteed. Guaranteed. Just when the DocX on Open Office, big mistake. It's fucking broken. Speaking of things that are broken, by the way, so my company started the move to Office 365. 2 or 3 of the CSRs, the customer reps, in my location, can barely use email now because the app broke. So now they're trying to use it on the website, and they're having trouble. I am not looking forward to the move. I really am not. I'm not looking forward to it. They fucked something up already with it, which, surprise, right? I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised at all. Move to Teams, by the way, that's kind of stuck on permission somehow. Like, permission issues. That it doesn't want to work or something? I don't fucking know. Where do you move? What do you mean, where do I move? But yeah, it's a mess at work. It's a mess. So, yay. But this coming week, the new CTO is going to be in the office. And he's buying pizza for everybody on Tuesday, which is going to be neat. Big meeting with that. We'll see who actually attends it. There it goes. Symbol. 37 seconds new Slack. What the hell? New Slack. What is that? They work to Microsoft Office 65, the online shit. Oh, they. What even is Office 365? Like, what the shit is it? Like, what? Online versions of. Cloud-based services. No! Fuck. Also has a mail server. Oh, good. More shit to break. Fantastic. The branding was introduced in 2010 to refer to a subscription-based software as a service platform. Exchange, SharePoint, link server. Fuck SharePoint, by the way. And Office on the web. I don't fucking want any of that. Any of it. I don't want any of that shit. So, like, if I have a document, a Word doc, do I have to open a fucking browser to use it? I have to sign up, spin up a Windows VM to print fucking docx files. Because apparently I need to print them! Yeah. I wonder if I can send docx files to the printer. You think that'll work? Yeah. I don't want web-based bullshit, though. I really don't. I really don't want web-based bullshit. Not meant, by the way. Absolutely not. Sure. Considering how anti-cloud your company has been, I'm kind of surprised they're going for this, but also not since it's in Microsoft. Yeah. So what's changed is two executives that came on board, and the one that I've been talking to, the tech guy, the CTO, Chief Technical Officer, has been pushing a lot of stuff. Office 365 is one of them. Teams, and some other bullshit that I don't remember off the top of my head right now. But, you know, if that's the case of, we can blame someone else if it breaks. Because it will. I guess they got tired of blaming our own IT department, because they break everything, too. They break absolutely everything. No. Absolutely everything. But, you know. I need to have a long talk with this new CTO. Just me and him. We need to have a talk about some things. But a lot of things. I don't know if I'll get that talk, but you know, we'll see. You, him, and a bottle of sake. Be a good day. Oh, I might actually go and grab one of them in a minute. One of them is already opened. It's half gone already because I drank some of it yesterday. I might grab that in a little bit. Yeah. Scroll over a little bit more. Handwritten. Yeah, handwritten. Yeah. Where? Okay, that one, over like that. 1, 2, 3, and then like that. That one? Isn't it? Didn't I already draw this character? I did. It's right there. Chinese characters. Okay. Okay. And I did just do... That was part of this guy. God damn it. It's a radical, so I can't copy-paste that one. Damn. Oh, well, okay, let's start over. Down the middle, and then over like that, and then 3, and then like that. Is this guy. Fruit! What? Doubt that's what that means. Execution. Fruit. What? Execution. I guess that just means do the thing. Is it just like? Yeah. Okay. That's the button I hit to do the thing. Finish him. What is the second character? Line? I don't know. Go over to here. Execution of a plan. Yeah, okay. So can I, details. Carrying out. Or putting into practice, action, implementation, fulfillment, realization. Execution of a program. To run. Okay. Yeah. Is it Chico? Am I saying that right? I don't know. Probably not. Anyway, fruit line makes sense. Sure, why not? Links. Kanji details for these two. Reality, truth, seed, fruit, nut. Uh-huh. Okay. Sure. Going, journey, carry out, conduct, act, line, row, bank. Yeah, so Google Translate just chose one of these words. And it's like, yeah, sure, why not? Just roll the dice on that one. What is this? Oh. Oh, fancy. Oh, my God. I did that entirely wrong. Well, actually, this last time I did it, I don't think it was that wrong. I still wasn't right, but... How about this guy? Did I get this guy right? Ah, yeah, I got this one right. This is an easy one. Is that a video or an SVG? I don't know. What the fuck is this? An area shit? What? Huh? It's an image map? Huh? A canvas. It's a fucking... I have no idea. It's a canvas. Huh? Yeah, I guess it's JavaScript animation? Yeah. It's JavaScript! Ew. Oh, okay. Alright. Let me... Hang on, let me, up to that guy. Copy that. When will it? Never. Absolutely never. If it's Canvas, then it's JavaScript, yes. No indication of what data format script uses to do the rendering. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. And I know you can't really see anything underneath here. It's fine. Don't worry about it. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We're gonna get rid of that for now. Copy. Switch. Again, I want to Control V, Control Shift V. Now. Usually just use SVG in the background if I, I don't know, 6 years? I could see using using SVG in the background to do like the actual lines for it, and the JavaScript just, hey, follow this line across this across the whatever time. Yeah. Current, I got it. I understood close enough. It's fine. Don't worry about it. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. All right. So now that I got all that in there, well, I guess the menu's not really relevant or correct now, but whatever, it's fine. We're gonna clear all that. These. What the shit are these? There's those two again. The you cannot see what I am looking at really. These two characters here. So shit. No number. Set no number. That's what it was. Okay. Copy. Come over here. Paste. Enter and cut. But those. Nope. Where is it? The hell did it go? Or over here. For that guy, and then I gotta figure out the stroke over that one. For all these, really. Okay, so which one of these is the kanji, and which one is the katakana? Character input. It's been a long while since I've done any serious web dev, yeah. I remember Dre's using SVG images to render a target back when Canvas wasn't a thing yet, but they might have used a data source for all I know. I remember back in, God, I think it might have been high school, maybe like early college, where I built a quote-unquote website using just an SVG image and nothing else. Well, that and a bunch of JavaScript to like change tabs or whatever. It was disgusting, but it almost worked. And I got like a proof of concept working. I'm like, cool. I'm never touching this ever again. This is terrible. I'm not doing this ever again. Because it was nasty. It was nasty. I want that one. P. I think that's a little one. Computer. What? Computer? Hello, computer. Computer, turn on. I got the order of that all wrong, I'm sure. Let me try that again. Because I missed a stroke. There it is. Color tone. Good eye. Good eye. God, what the hell is this? Oh, Jesus, what? Huh? Movie. Oh, boy. This one? I think that's it. Picture? Yeah, sure. Probably that one. Visual style. Oh my god, why the complicated ones? Holy shit. What the hell even is that? Huh? Is it that one? I don't know how Google figured that one out. Video adjustment. All right. I was also aware it would kill any accessibility in text mode rendering and such. What's this now? Oh, right. Yeah. Yeah, for the... No. Can I... Yes, these are rotatable. These are pots. Potentiometers, excuse me. So switch, potentiometers, and then a dial. Computer or something else. So this guy, whoop, and then on the other line, I'm gonna put just so it will differentiate them correctly. That. External. Okay, boo. Okay. And then again with this freaking character. That one, I think. And then that one. Audio mixing. Okay. Is that what the RF connector is for? You plug this thing into a computer, and this is what like mixes the two? That's a nice try, right? How you doing, by the way? Welcome. For audio, yeah, audio stuff, I guess. Yeah, color adjustment. What is this? Character. I don't know what the hell that means. Turn that switch. Now will it let me? I doubt it, but I'm gonna try anyway. That. And then that one. That one. Damn. I'll never crack the secrets of Famicom. Okay, so this is a Famicom glued to something else. In a weird way, okay? This isn't just a Famicom. Back there, that's a Famicom. That's another one of it. That's over here. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna unplug that. Yeah. Probably crossfade between audio input and computer audio then. Yeah. So what? Where would the computer audio come in? Like this thing? I'm not sure this thing is generating any audio. Unless it reads from the mic? Because I mean, actually I can just images. I need a good picture of the control. There it is. So yeah, the second controller has a mic, and it's got a little like, hey, here's the microphone on the thing. Oh, yes. Can you dub over your shit with the Famicom microphone? Please tell me you can. Oh my god, please. This is sharp. This isn't necessarily Nintendo. Sure, it's got a Famicom in it, but this guy's sharp. Sharp. 1989, sharp. And up top is a big sharp logo on the thing. How many bit depth? Sure. It probably is just like pass through, honestly. That's what I'm gonna guess. It's just pass through, right? They predicted the internet, did they? The mic is 1 bit if it's the same as the Famicom. Okay, sure, but that's if the Famicom is reading it. But if we don't attempt to read it in software, it's still just pass through to the audio, isn't it? Isn't it just mixed to the audio output? Yeah. So it bypasses all the processing. We don't even need to care about that. So that might be what this slider's for. Maybe. I don't know. Turning on or off, like, the microphone. I mean, it still has, like, a slider thing on it, but... No. Back over here. Famicom Titler. I like how that's, like, the only English on this thing. That and, Sharp Famicom Titler. AN 510 on the front of it. Nothing else on this thing has any letters that I can recognize. There was some really cursed anime fandoms. Oh my god. Imagine dubbing something with this microphone. Oh god. Oh. I'm gonna have to figure something out with this though, by the way. Because I do have blank VHS cassettes. VHS tapes. So I can plug this thing into a VCR that I have. I have 2 VCRs, so I can use this for its intended goddamn purpose. Captain Pie, you should know by now that I love to take the stupid shit and run with it. Why do you think I have this? Put me in the credits at least. If I can figure out how to make the credits, absolutely. Absolutely. Is there a manual for this online, by the way? Like, there's got to be a manual somewhere, right? I mean, it's not going to be in English. I understand that. I know that much. This isn't that thing exactly... Well, yes, but it's in a language I don't know, okay? I like to pretend I know some of it, but I don't. Alright, database of Famicom manuals. Oh, this is just someone suggesting that. NES files. Okay, this is NES. That's a short list. Titler's not on that. This guy, technical specs. In order to create S-Video up over the Nintendo's... hang on, let me make this a little bit bigger so we can all read this. In order to create S-Video output via the Nintendo's CPU, an RGB output compatible chip was added. Here, RGB video signals generated within the composite outputs were converted to the external S-Video signals at the rear of the titler's body. RCA composite pin video outputs and mono audio outputs were located and peripheral devices connect only when the video and audio outputs to the studio were also employed RF connectors and S-Video, allowing gamers to enjoy a crisper image. Yeah, I know. Love that. $400 NES? More than that. A little bit more than that. A little bit more than that. What is the slider on the controller? That's the volume for the... oh, I closed it, didn't I? Volume for the microphone. Same as the OG Famicom, from what I can tell. Yeah. Actually, hang on. Let me put this back on screen. I'm going to take... So this Famicom is plugged in, right? It's plugged into the thing. And it has a microphone on here. It's turned down right now. I'm watching my audio capture on this. Can I turn the volume up? Audio's obviously coming through that. Okay. I don't know if you could hear that. I don't know if the capture just grabbed that. But now this one. Up. Oh. Really? That is okay. So I've got the audio cranked on the slider here, and that dial does exactly that. Okay, that dial on the side. Oh, where the hell did the picture go? This dial on the side is for mixing this microphone, basically, or whatever audio this system is generating. Thank you for the appreciate that. Any website that takes its wikis hostage, yeah, that, and denies them their content to prevent them from moving elsewhere only deserves my fuck them. I agree. Yes. Yes, the OG has a slider too. Yep. It's only like player 2 on both of them, obviously. But this is a Famicom only thing. This isn't this. They didn't do this for the NES. Oh, I forgot. I turned it off. Also for the second model of the Famicom, the top loader. No, they're both fucking top loaders. The other one. I'm forgetting the name of it now. But yeah, the second model for this thing that had the removable controllers. Those are both like NES style, not Famicom style. No. Where is it? I mean, yeah, kind of redundant. Yeah, I suppose. The main problem is that Fandom perfected SEO, and so even when a community moves over to another platform, it won't get found. Yeah, you'll have the hostage wiki listed above the official wiki. In searches, yeah. And it's incredibly predatory. Yeah, incredibly predatory. There are a bunch of wikis that made it a big deal to move off of there, and they tried to shut down their stuff on Fandom, and Fandom wouldn't let them. They basically revoked access to everyone in the community, and gave that access to, I don't know, someone else, basically. Yeah. So let me get the other the trackball. I want to make, yeah. Give me a second. I've had this shirt for a long while. It used to be really large on me, and then apparently I started getting fat. I don't know. You know what? Let's grab this as well. And this. Okay. I have 2 expansion controllers I want to try on this guy now. This guy, which I also recently got. I do not think this is going to do anything, but we'll find out. I don't know, we'll see. I sincerely doubt this will actually do anything. This one will, to some extent. The controller buttons on this are a standard external controller. I don't think the trackball will do much of anything. Let me do that. Fin. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Let's get back to the menu. All right, that's controller 2. That's not going to do anything. All right. I was hitting the spot for start, but start and select aren't on controller 2. Stop it. So this guy, let me hang on. Let me plug it in first. Then we can hit A on that. Then we're gonna see if this actually does anything. Nah, I didn't think so. Didn't think so. All right. Okay. B on that. Unplug it. There. All right. Now for this guy. How many people? I have no idea. This is in terrible shape. This box has seen better days. All right, so this is the you can't really see it. It's a yellow trackball. It's yellow, I swear. All right, plug this in like that. The expansion shit doesn't work. Really? It's not even reading that. It's not even reading the expansion stuff for the menu. That's disappointing. Really? Really? I mean, this expansion stuff does actually work, right? Can I? Well, let's go down to. Does this not like my ROM cartridge? I don't think it likes my ROM cart. It doesn't like my ROM cart. No. It's not plugged in. You can't see it, but the wire's dangling. Bit news. I mean, I do have some ROMs somewhere that are very clearly unlicensed. Fear tracer. What's this? Ah, got it. Yeah. So this isn't it. This is not a. I can do this with anything. I can do this with literally anything. That's hilarious. Huh. I'm surprised that this doesn't work though. I'm really surprised at that. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Hang on. Box of cartridges here. Let's get another one. I don't know. I don't think I have any real obscure mappers on any of these though. I mean, maybe. I don't know what this one is. There's one. I just unplugged that one. So we're gonna. On. Then that. This guy off. Check that. Take the thing. I just had that in there. So we're gonna put it over here. Famicom. Turn it on. Alright. Doesn't want to work over there either. That's just that. All right, that cartridge does not want to work. I might see one. Okay. Well, this one. No, I'm gonna turn it off first, and then do the thing. Do that, and turn it on. Really? Really? Get to the indoors. Okay, this is an NROM. Okay. Okay. In Famicom first, then just the Titler breaking. Just in case it's a Titler breaking the cart. Yeah. I need to swap some cables for just Famicom now. Turn that on like that. So I can get that bullshit, and then I'll be able to pass through. This is hilarious, by the way. So it's it. Turn that off. Open that back up. Grab this. I'll get back over here. See how it's got the top and bottom on it? The gray on top and bottom. That's how it's supposed to look. Where page one's got a gray background, at the bottom's got a gray background. Let me do this. Key test and S. Yep, that's the one. So selected it. Okay, so now if I turn it on and hit start, it should have that still in memory. In theory. In theory. Oh, I saw something. No, damn. Yeah, it's still not liking anything. That's unfortunate. That's unfortunate. There's something else I can try. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Where the hell is it? Down. Unplug that. This guy? Nope. Hang on. Please hold. Please hold. That one. Shit on a stick. I got this working the other day. Where I can just like send a ROM to the thing. Grabs hammer. No! Not a hammer. Okay. Put that in like that. And then, let me over here, and then I'll turn that back on and make it smaller. What's that, Android? That's, so, this is a ROM card that has an SD card in it. I recycled it from one of my old phones. That's what that is. There's nothing actually on there. I don't think anyway. Not that this will be able to see any of it. All right. Now I have to remember what I did for this. It's in here somewhere. What the fuck was it? What was it? EEDN. No, EdLink. This in here. No. Is that all that's in there? Just to read me? No. That's where I want to go. Okay. CD into that. EdLink N8. Bin. Debug. Net8. Okay. Then in here. EdLink N8. That and diag. Okay. It can talk to the thing. Good. Diagnosis complete. It can talk. It can talk to the card. Card's still good. All right. Copy file necessary. Right onboard flash chip. I don't know if that's it. ROM and mapper files can be loaded without command. Well, I can just point them at. Okay, so this code nes key test bin key test dot nes. Really? In over here. Turn this on so I can get some video. Thank you. Do that again. So we power that on. I'm going to put it on there. USB games. I mean, it did send it like that. Was it just that? Did it send? Forgot I did that on there. That is the updated one. All right. Reset that. The non-updated one looks like that. Do I use... Yes, I use V-bindings for my shell. Yes. Huh. So is it not getting the power from the thing? Is that what it is? So if I hit this button during this, it just reloads. Okay. If I hit the button during this, it does nothing. It does bugger all. Okay. That's supposed to give me like a menu, though. I thought it was supposed to give me a menu. I can load in pair with the mapper file if the mapper is not specified. This will load the terminal SD card. Execution without any arguments will print cartridge configuration. Besides cartridge config itself, an upper hex block will be printed to current state of the mapper registers and speed registers in the bottom block. Okay, so while it's plugged in here, we're just gonna do that. Okay, so that's the current status. Okay, so we're gonna power it off. Pop it out of there. Power that off. Undo that. Plug it in. Turn it on. Okay, we're gonna run this again. What's the status? Really, mapper 255. Okay, expected that. That's the mapper for the menu stuff. Say load key, save key, menu key, configure mirroring, horizontal. Okay. I mean, Am I trying to reverse engineer some binary blobbies to talk to the Famicom? No. So this is a ROM cart that I have. It's a beautiful cartridge. It's an EverDrive. What it allows me to do is allows me to put a ROM onto the cartridge, plug the cartridge in, and run that ROM on hardware. It's beautiful. Kanamuto, how you doing? This over here, this thing right here, is a new toy I got today. I was not planning on the fact that this would not work. Because if I can get a ROM onto here, I can start poking around at hardware things. Like this little trackpad that's in terrible shape. Right? How you doing, Viking God, by the way? I don't think I saw you yet. Or said hi to you yet. How you doing? Never seen before. Fresh. I mean, this thing kind of is fresh. Kind of. But yeah, so the fact that that isn't working on this device. That poses some challenges. A few challenges. So I think the Android is the problem. That's the selected folder. That's literally all it is. It's not even loading this menu correctly. This menu is not loading correctly. Does another cartridge work? Yes. Not. Oh well, I mean that one I guess didn't work on the Famicom. So, let me use that for now as the backdrop for it, so I can just. No, it is that one. Yeah. This one over here. So that's another cartridge. This one does work on the Titler. This guy didn't though. Dragon Buster. I think this was too dirty though. I think that's why. Yeah, that one doesn't want to work. Are you sure it's not correct? Yes. The where it says page 1 of 1 and the Android at the bottom, those should have gray backgrounds across. Yeah. Does the controller work with that cart in the Titler? No, it doesn't do anything. It does bugger all. And I don't think these do anything either. No. The game cartridge. No. Yeah, so it's locked up on the Titler, yes. Okay, let me turn that off. Unplug that. Pop that out. Put it back into the Famicom. If I plug this guy in here, like that. And funnily enough, I can see how it has the gray in the back there? Different PPU mode. Could it be? But it's still NTSC though, right? Titler uses an RBG PPU. I guess? I'm not, honestly, I'm not sure. I do not know the exact answer for you on that one. And again, I haven't opened this up yet to get images of everything. I guess there are images online, but still. Would that do it though? I might have to find another ROM card. Like a flashable NROM or something. Because I don't want to rely on the internal cartridge for things. I don't want to really screw with that too much. What else do I have in here? Dragon Quest. These ones are NROM, so I know that those will work. Dragon Quest. Oh, this guy. Famicom to NES. That's a CD and a DVD. And the rest are NES. Here. Yeah. And the Sega Genesis. Thank you for the file. Appreciate that. Alright, so I'm gonna try the next one. I mean, I don't see why it wouldn't work really. Let's pop that out. Come on. There it goes. Pop that in there. Pop up that. Turn that on. Velocipaster. It's a fantastic movie. Alright, that cartridge also does not want to cooperate. For that matter, we're most of the way to having working homebrew on the SPX one. Yes. That is another avenue. Let me make sure the tapes work at this. Hang on. And here, there's a tape. Now this one has external power. This guy right here. So I expect this to actually work fine. And it is so far. Tweety Verde, how you doing? Welcome. And Tiny Witch Draws, hello. Hello, hello. Titler uses our RC2C05-9 and RGB PPU with that behavior. Huh. But yeah, so if we can get an Ace working on standard hardware, we can get it working on this, and then inject my key test ROM to figure out how the rest of the things work. Oh, man. So I have my other ROM cartridge, if I want to call it that. I got first caught on Christmas. Oh. The sequel's already finished filming. Ooh, exciting. Yeah, so I noticed the colors are different for all this. Yeah, I could probably screw around with the pots. I don't think I want to do that right yet, though. Yeah. Yes, that audio. That's the yeah. Never seen that? What, the Velocipaster? Or you mean this stuff here? This stuff over here. The Brother Chance. God, the flashing. Oh my God, the flashing. The movie is fantastic. It's so good. So stupid and so good. I love it. Yeah. So, so I actually watched it with my father not that long ago. I think it might have been last year. And so the funny part about that, my father's a pastor. And he loves like dumb movies, right? So it was good. It was fun. It was a fun watch. You watched it when you get COVID? Okay. All right. Yeah, it's such a great movie. It's such a great movie. Right after the opening scene, the whole like fire VFX, like the text on screen, that sold me. That sold me. Like 2 seconds into the movie. Oh yeah, next page. Okay. Made life much better. It did. It really did. All right, yeah, so now we have a revived drive to get the Ace working on hardware. He was not made with the NES Titler, I'm sorry. The Famicom Titler, yeah. The movie when I was special. Jurassic Park 1 into Velocipaster. Very dinosaur themed, yes. He's a pastor, but he's a Velocipaster. Yeah. God, I really wish this my EverDrive worked with it though, because then I could try like keyboard stuff and all kinds of things. Had a nice. It was a very nice Raptor theme. Yes. Yeah, so now I've got to figure out some FMM encoding and writing the tapes. That's not going to be tonight, though. That's certainly not tonight. Yes, this is the one that uses the scrolling. Yeah, so this one like worked fine because the background on both of the name tables was exactly the same. So it wrote the name table twice in the emulator, right? In Nessun. But in a few more scenes, it didn't. it did it wrong because it had the mirroring set up wrong. Might be possible to get the EverDrive working via some settings or something. I don't know what it supports or how to open it. Openness to hacking in your own support. I can send it a mapper file, which is essentially an FPGA program directly to the FPGA. That's kind of how open it is. Like this code that I'm running here is available, open source. It was originally for .NET 4 or something or whatever. I recompiled that to .NET 8. That's why it's in the Net 8 folder there. And I'm running it on Linux here. There's some other stuff I remember that you needed to upload to this as well. To the SD card rather. To get this stuff working. But yeah, it's got a USB port and everything to talk to the thing. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know about the configuration stuff on that though. Still going? Probably. I meant for the menu software to make it support different PPU. I mean, so that's a special mapper. I'm not sure if that's like actually technically a ROM. Drive NA Pro. Let's have a look at the files. Development resources on GitHub. NSF8 update. This is the NSF stuff. Mappers. 255. System mapper. I don't know if this is mapper out Dutpin. I don't know. Oh, my neighbor's home, making all kinds of noise out there. I don't know. I know that there's a custom BIOS for the Turbo EverDrive, but I don't know about the other systems. Seen? Oh, that broke. Cool. Oh yeah, I'm looking at. Right. Tape got stuck. Cool. Tape got stuck. Hang on, let me reset that real quick. I know you can't see my screen right now. I realize. Give me a second. I need to work on my hardware / low-level language skills. Most of it sounds like magic to me. Yeah, it's not that much of magic. Once you start to understand it. Yeah, a lot of what I've done here is well, so the thing that's running right now, we've reverse engineered a bunch of it. I'm still working on some things. I'll open up in a minute, but yeah. So I figured out some stuff recently, actually. So actually, I meant to mention it earlier. Actually, Bridgewater. Let's CD up a few over to code NES study box. Let's go there. Study box org. I figured out what that one was. Well, no. Oh no, I was already up there. Damn it. I was so proud of myself, only to realize that God damn it. That's right, not read. Son of a bitch. I was so proud of myself for a second there. Oh well. Yeah, I confirmed that one, essentially. For that matter, I was considering trying to write a custom BIOS for the Turbo EverDrive myself. Oh, okay. But yeah, so I did get more of the study box stuff mapped out. Oh, it's wanting input. Hang on. Next page. Get that out of the way. Hello. That one. What's your name? I'm Johnny. There we go. I need to make that into a sticker. This is the scene that broke. So it's going to flash here in a second. This is going to flash in a second. And when that happens, that's when the scene changes to another name table. So I think it's already changed. I think I blinked to I think I blinked. But this is going to scroll up right there. That's where it broke in the emulator. Because it wasn't doing the name table mirroring correctly. A real bad boy. All right. Yeah. But, yeah. Sour actually did fix that, by the way, because I bugged him on Discord. I'm like, hey, Sour broke. Sour, it broke. Fix it, Sour. And then he goes and has a peek at the VOD from last Sunday. He's like, oh, by the way, you're using a version of Messin that's like 6 months out of date. I'm like, yeah, I know. He's like, there's some stuff in there that I fixed months ago. I'm like, yeah, okay, I know, I get it. Did it resolve, or is it still on the table? Question in Discord. Which question on Discord? Which one specifically? Oh, the ROM dumper? That? No, I haven't opened this up yet to confirm stuff. Name table. Yes, name table. Yes. That's what it's called. Missing. I know you can't see my screen. Give me a second. Key test. Let's just open that. Well, okay, so it says tile map here. This is really a name table, though. Nest dev. Resolve the no need to ask anymore. Negative. Well, I don't know the details on the thing. I might as well ask. Oh wait, didn't I? The Mini Pro. Give me like a day to figure it out. I don't know. What was I in here? PPU. Name tables. Yeah, consists of a tile map and attributes. Yeah. The name table. Yes. So this one has 4 screen mirroring, so it can use 4 name tables at once. I actually hastily added that to my key test ROM, which is why when I sent it over to does this not support 4 screen mirroring? I'm not gonna be able to get over that. That's hilarious. Pop that out of there real quick. What was a good one? Maybe one of these. Apparently, a lot of my carts are crap. There we go. Okay. So I'm gonna go into that. Wait, hang on. What? ROM info. The other way. Mirroring 4. It does say 4 on there, right? Yes, it does say 4. Why did it screw it up? It shouldn't say screen 2 there. You see it says screen 2, right? The top option. Behind things. That's supposed to say... That isn't supposed to say screen 2. Screen 2 is over on the right. You can see them put where the title of the screen is black and effectively... Yeah, that's exactly what it is. It's exactly what it is. Rather, where it's using color 0 for the pixel, which is usually black or rather background. Yeah. The background. Not the background color, not the color defined in the palette as the background color, but specifically a color, one specific like black color, I think. Yeah, something to that effect. I'd be able to test that with if I had my ROM card work over there. It'd be trivial to write something up to test that. But if I've got to go through this guy as my ROM card, that makes things a little hard. Makes things a little difficult. Because they don't have that working on hardware yet. Which is unfortunate. Can I show how it works normally? I mean, I guess, but I'd have to rewire something. I think it's specifically color 0, the same way sprites work. Well, I don't know about that, because nope, not that. Not that. Where the hell was it? Not that. This one? Nope. Where was the settings thing? Where the hell was that? And these are all just... God, not that. No, oh, that's to start the thing. God damn it, I didn't want that. Well, that's neat, though. I can just see the whole screen now. There was one that changed settings for stuff. I thought it was this guy, but I guess not. It's telling me no. Sure. There it is. There it is. Okay. That changes the background color. The way we're doing this is just a palette swap on the background. And this guy is the special background color. Right? Sorry for the flashing, by the way. So yeah, it's a special color. Not sure which one, but it's one of them. Yeah. It's one of them. Anyway, what time is it? 10 o'clock. Is it 10 o'clock already? God damn. I need to clean up. God damn. Yeah, I need to clean up. Is this how easy would this come apart, by the way? Where are the screws on this thing? Alright, it's not too many. Not too many. There's a few screws, and I'll probably do that tomorrow. See if I can open it up and see what's inside. Have a look at the chips on there, because I'm really curious about this board that's in there, the Famicom board in there. Because the pictures that I did see, it was an interesting board. Rearranged and had a mapper on it. For some reason, I want to say an MMC3 mapper. I don't know if that's right or not. Just don't quote me on that. But it's got a mapper on it. I mean, obviously, it's got bank switching stuff. It's got RAM, obviously. MMC1B2. I can actually just search in here for that. Hardware. At least 6 different versions of the MMC1 are known to exist. MC1, C1A, C1B, C1B2, and C1B2F, and C1B3. Now, I'll grab that. Unplug this, get it out of my way. Over there. Did that go into... Almost. There's one unsubstantiated report about an MMC1C. The known differences related to bit 4 of Hex 8000. What? PG RAM is always enabled. 2 games to use this lack of feature. They have been allocated to INS Mapper 155. 2 games to use this lack of feature. 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 2 games to use this lack of Bit 4 of E1000 causes bit 3 to directly control instead of going through the fixed bank logic. Oh. PG RAM is enabled by default. E3 does not bypass the fixed bank. PG is reported disabled by default. 24-pin shrink dip package. I was hoping for a picture, but okay. That's fine too. Boards using MSC1 may contain battery connection to the PRG RAM's power. This one does have a battery. Power lines are preserve the data. Boards doing so will allow extra circuitry to be used with 2 diodes and 2 resistors. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to open this thing up and see what's in there. No. Yeah, maybe eventually we can get a whole page written for this thing. A whole page. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, there's a few things on this that that interact with the Famicom in unconventional ways, I guess. The buttons on front, certainly, and the touchpad, unconventional. Yeah, the other stuff like the switch here and the volume knobs and all that, those are kind of like external to the Famicom itself. I'm not too worried about those. But yeah, those things I'm curious about, very curious about, and the big tuck-you switch that switches between game and internal. But no, yeah, Kevin, you have a good night. Thank you for stopping by. I'm gonna be wrapping up here soon anyway. Yeah, we confirmed something to this. We almost figured out how some of it worked. Almost. Turn that on. Get the. Let's get that scrolling through. Let's get that scrolling through. Yeah. So I've got some work cut out for me in the coming weeks. Yeah. Yeah, I've got a lot of work to do. It's gonna be a journey. It's gonna be a journey to figure all this stuff out. I'm excited. Oh yeah, and I also do have. I mentioned earlier today, a lot earlier. I do also have a NES satellite in pieces in the corner, because the battery terminals on it are corroded to hell. So I need to see if I can clean that up tomorrow too. Dump that in some vinegar, and just let it sit for hours. All right, we'll see. We'll see about that. I'm not too worried about that one. That one was like $20 after shipping. Not worried about it. It was like the cheapest one on eBay I could find. But this guy though, I'm excited for this guy. I'm real excited for this. To figure out how it works and all that. Yeah, because I know there's a few daughter boards in there that do things, allegedly, and yeah, I wonder how it talks to the rest of the system. Because that's fascinating, and the fact that there's a again, I haven't opened it up yet, so I haven't confirmed with my own eyes. But there's a cartridge on the same board as the rest of the Famicom. It's integrated into the board, like an MMC3 cartridge integrated into the exact same board as the Famicom, which intrigues me. But yeah. So let's see if there's anybody else online, because I need to get going. If you get the ROM dumped, we can do some decent analysis. That's true too. Yes. So that's another thing. I don't think this ROM is actually dumped anywhere. I'll do some digging after stream, I think. I don't think I'll be able to find any. I could be wrong, but I didn't actually look earlier. But yeah, there's a decent chance that this ROM isn't dumped yet, which would be exciting. Oh my god, so exciting. So exciting. Anyway, let's see if there's anyone live that we can say hi to real quick. So yeah, I should be back on Sunday. I will probably be doing more with this thing, I think. Even if you can, the one you have might be a different version or something, so it's still worth dumping. Oh yeah, I'm still gonna try to dump. Absolutely. I need to get a EEPROM dumper or reader, whatever the hell. So that'll be a whole adventure as well. Was it hard to get this device? Not really hard, just expensive. It was expensive. After shipping, it was something like, oh god, like $800. it was expensive. I saw someone else buy one of these complete in box, like pristine condition. He paid like $2,000 for his, right? And that was like 5-6 years ago, maybe even more years ago. So the fact that this thing works, I mean, it's got some wear and tear, especially on the touchpad. I'm not really worried about that. It's missing. So there's a stylus that did come with this. There's a holder for it. It's gone now, but I could use the stylus off of the tablet over there. It's fine. I'm not worried about it. But yeah, rough shape, but it's in working condition. It's in beautiful working condition. I know we're going to say hi to. So come with me to say hi. I would really appreciate. Oh, fucking ads! I'm gonna wait until the ad's over. If it even loads, my god. All right. So yeah, we're gonna raid this guy here in a second. They've got popular as a way of as a way to get better graphics than a regular Famicom due to the internal RGB. Yeah, RGB, like unmodified RGB. And looking at the picture's crisp. It's nice. It's real nice. So yeah, I get that. I absolutely get that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Anyway, come say hi with me. I would really appreciate it. Yeah, you guys have a good night. I will see you next time. Bye.